Hi buddy, welcome to Answers Q. In this video, we'll be seeing free online workshops that is conducted by Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO. So before we see what are those workshops and how to register for it, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description, check it out. And you can also visit answersq.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events. So do visit it. So there are two workshops which are conducted by ISRO. First one is Lunar Remote Sensing and its applications, and this workshop will be conducted on August 11, 2021. And as you can see here, it is organized by IIRS, that is Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, which operates under Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO. So this is a one-day online workshop which will be focusing on remote sensing of moon through various scientific satellite missions and discussions of their important findings. And here they have given the workshop content and outline. So by attending this workshop, you'll get an overview of lunar remote sensing, and you can learn about reflectance spectrography, and you can learn about lunar South Pole Atacama Basin, and you will also learn about the recent advances in radar exploration of the moon. You will learn about Chandrayaan-2 imaging infrared spectrometer, and you will also learn about MG spinal mineralogy of the moon. So all these topics will be covered in this particular one-day workshop, and here is the expected outcome. So by the end of this program, you will know the theory and techniques of remote sensing of the moon and their applications in analyzing lunar surface characteristics and geology. So you will learn about this at the end of, you will know this at the end of this program. And here they have given who can attend this workshop. So basically anyone interested in this topic can attend this workshop. There is no restriction. I'll show you the registration process. Watch this video till the end. And after completing this workshop fully, you can get an award of certificate from ISRO as well. Here it is, award of certificate will be given to you, but you have to attend the workshop fully. So this is the first one, lunar remote sensing and its application, which will be conducted on August 11th, 2021. And the second workshop is SAR application for flood hazard mapping and monitoring, which will be conducted on July 16th, 2021. And again, it's offered by ISRO, you know that. And this workshop is mainly conducted to highlight the potential of microwave remote sensing data for flood hazard mapping and monitoring. And here is the workshop content and outline for you. So first you will get to know about the overview and basic concepts of SAR, and then you will learn the SAR application for flood hazard mapping, access to SAR data on processing of SAR data, SAR based flood hazard mapping. So all these topics will be covered, and here is the expected outcome. So by the end of this program, you will know all the basic concepts of SAR, accessibility of SAR data, open source software tools and platforms for processing and mapping of flood hazard. So this is the expected outcome. So anyone can attend this workshop also. If you have the interest, if you have real interest in these topics, you can attend this, no restriction. And after completing the program fully, you can also get the award of certificate from ISRO itself. So these two workshops are conducted by ISRO. One is on August 11th, 2021, that is lunar remote sensing and its applications, and the second one is SAR application for flood hazard mapping and monitoring, and it will be conducted on July 16th, 2021. So just note the date so that you do not miss it. So now let's see how to register for these workshops. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit our website if you want to know more about free online courses, internships, and other things. And I just want to tell you about Coursera platform. So basically in Coursera, you can learn whatever you want. There are courses for data science, business, computer science, IT, language, health, personal development. So you can learn whatever you want in Coursera platform. And the best part about Coursera is all the courses in Coursera are offered by top companies and universities like Duke University, Stanford, Google, IBM. So the content will be very good. You do not need to worry about it. It will be very good. And if you are really interested in taking any subject in Coursera, go with their monthly plan so that you can save a lot of money and you can earn unlimited certificates and you can learn whatever you want. Here it is. Here is the comparison for you. So if you take any individual program in Coursera, it will cost you somewhere between 3,000 to 6,000 rupees. But with the monthly plan, you have to pay only 4,315, and with that you will get access to all the 3,000 plus courses, guided projects, specializations, professional certifications. So you will get access to the entire Coursera platform, and you can earn unlimited certificates. So for example, let's say you complete 100 courses in that 1 month, you can get 100 certificates. There is no restriction to the number of courses or the number of certificates that you can get in that 1 month. And most importantly, you can develop job relevant skills, and there are more than 15 professional certification programs offered by Google, Facebook, and many more companies like IBM. And all these professional certifications are industry valid. People will recognize it. It will be very useful for you. You are going to get access to those professional certification as well with the Coursera monthly plan offer. So if you want to learn any subject, go with Coursera monthly plan offer. I'm sure that you will like Coursera platform. And if you want to support me in any way, you can just use my link, which I have given in description, and take this Coursera monthly plan offer. So I hope you'll find it useful. Now let's see how to register for these workshops. So the process is same for both of these workshops. I'll do it for lunar remote sensing and its applications. So I'll give you a link in description. Click on it and it will take you to AnswersQ website. And from there you can get access to this registration page. You will see all the details, and after that you will see register now button. Click on it and then you'll be landing on this page. So here you have to give your name, email ID, and then you have to confirm your email ID, and then you have to set a password for your account, and then you have to retype your password and just enter this captcha given here and click on this register button to create your account in this e-learning website of Indian Institute of Remote Sensing. If you already have account on this website, you can just click on this already registered and just provide your email ID and password, and then enter the captcha and click on the login button. So this is the first step. First, let us log into our account and catch up after that. So once you log into your account, you have to select the course here. So the first thing here is select course name. Just click on choose courses here and choose 1-day workshop on lunar remote sensing and its applications. And you have two different modes of registration for this workshop. So one is individual registration and the other one is registration through IARS Nodal Center. Nothing but your university or college, whichever it is. So you can also register via your IARS Nodal Center. Just click on this registration through IARS Nodal Center, and here you have to select your institute or university name. So most of the institutes in India will be listed here. So you can just type in your college name or university name here and just select it. Or else if you don't see your institute listed here, you can also do individual registration. So click on individual registration. But you will not be eligible for the online examination, but still you will be eligible for the course participation certificate based on the attendance during the course. So you can do any one mode of registration that is applicable for you. So just select the course name and choose the mode of registration, and then choose your basic qualification. It might be the graduation, just select it, and then you have to answer this question here: how this course contents will be useful for your professional career. So just type your answer here and then click on this next button, and then you'll be moving on to the third step, where you have to give your personal details like your name, father name, gender, your mobile number, and then you have to select your country and you have to provide your zip code and date of birth, nationality, city, everything. So just give all your personal details here and then click on the save and continue button, and then you have to provide your educational details here. So you have to select your highest qualification and your major subjects, and then you have to type in your board, institution, or university name, and then you have to choose your year of passing and then click on this save and continue button, and then you have to give your professional details. So you have to answer this question whether you are a student, working professional, or self-employed, and then you have to upload your photo and identification proof, and then you have to upload your identification proof document, and then you have to give your Aadhaar number and just click on the save and continue button. And then finally in the preview section you will see all the details that you have filled in. So just check whether you have given all the details properly and click on this apply button, and then you will see a pop-up like this. Are you sure you won't be able to revert this? So just click on OK here. So that's it. Now we have successfully registered for this workshop, and once you complete this registration process, you will see this congratulations page, and you will get this unique registration number, and you will also get a mail like this from IARS Distance Learning. So in this mail you will also get this registration number again, and your registration will have to be approved by the course director or coordinator of the nodal center selected by you. So once it is approved, you should receive a confirmation email with the course guidelines. So once your place is confirmed and it is approved by the course director, you will get all the details regarding the course in another mail from IIRS. So this is how you need to register for these free online workshops that is conducted by ISRO. And if you want to get more updates about free online courses or workshops or other online events, subscribe to Answers Q and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out.